Imagine learning the basics of investing and building your first portfolio, all in just one day. Sounds impossible? Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to start investing fast and easy, even if you are a complete beginner. Hi everyone, my name is Steven, and today I am taking on the challenge of mastering the fundamentals of investing and assembling my first portfolio, all within 24 hours. With over 10 years of experience in investment banking and in Fortune 500 companies as key finance executive, I have seen firsthand how daunting investing can seem. But trust me, it is way more accessible than you think. In this video, I will break down the misconceptions that make investing seem intimidating and share simple strategies to get you started immediately. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will have the tools to kickstart your investment journey confidently. Investing. It's a topic that can seem super intimidating, but trust me, it's way more accessible than you think. In fact, investing is an essential part of growing your wealth and securing your financial future. Think about it. If you're not investing, your money is basically just sitting there, not doing much of anything. But when you invest, you're giving your money the opportunity to grow and work for you, even when you're not. I know many people who want to start investing but do not know where to begin, and I get it. There are a lot of misconceptions out there that can make investing seem scary or overwhelming. For one, people are often afraid of losing money. They think investing is like gambling. You put your money in, and you might get lucky and win big, or you might lose everything. But the truth is, investing is much more calculated than that. When you invest, you are not just throwing your money at a random stock or fund and hoping for the best. You are making informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Another misconception is that you need to be a finance expert to start investing. But that is not true. You do not need a degree in economics or be a Wall Street guru to get started. With just a little bit of knowledge, you can start building a portfolio that works for you. People often think they need a lot of money to start investing. But the truth is, you can start with as little as a few $100s. In fact, later in this video, I will reveal how you can begin investing with minimal funds and still see significant growth over time. So why do these misconceptions exist? I believe it is because the world of investing can seem really complicated. There are so many different types of investments out there: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, the list goes on. Each one has its own risks and benefits, but you do not need to be an expert in all these different types to get started. You can start with just one or two and gradually build your way up as you become more comfortable. Let us talk about the basics of investing. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are all ways of putting your money to work for you. Stocks are pieces of companies. When you buy a stock, you are buying a tiny piece of that company's assets and profits. Bonds are like loans. You lend your money to a company or government, and they pay you back with interest. Mutual funds are a mix of stocks and bonds, a collection of different investments wrapped into one. One simple strategy for beginners is to start with a high-yield savings account or a robo-advisor. These are automated investment platforms that take your money and invest it in a diversified portfolio. It's an easy way to get started, and you can always adjust your strategy as you become more comfortable. But here's something you might not know. There's a method to accelerate your investment growth even further. Stay tuned, because I will share this game-changing tip in just a moment. I want to share a story with you that I find really inspiring. There was a woman named Sarah in her mid-20s with basically no knowledge of investing. Determined to start building wealth, she began reading books and researching online. She started small, investing just a few $100s a month into a robo-advisor. Fast forward 5 years, and she had built up a portfolio worth over $20,000 just from that small monthly investment. And the best part is, she did not have to be a finance expert to do it. Sarah's story shows that investing is accessible to anyone. You do not have to be rich or a genius. You just have to be willing to take that first step. And the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. If you are finding this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us create more content to help you achieve financial freedom. So, to recap, investing is more accessible than you think. You do not need to be a finance expert or have a lot of money. You just need to be willing to take that first step. Remember, every small step you take towards investing is a step towards financial freedom. Now, as promised, here is that game-changing tip. Automate your investments. By setting up automatic transfers to your investment account, you ensure that you are consistently investing without even thinking about it. This not only builds discipline, but also leverages the power of dollar cost averaging, reducing the impact of market volatility on your investments. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions about getting started with investing, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about advanced investing strategies, be sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. See you in the next one.